See the student now. This is your lesson number 4 and I have given you video. I hope that this video you have seen. Now it is the review. See lesson number 4 water. First there is activity. Take the activities that need water. See the first picture student, that is swimming. See swimming. Then next is running. It's needing the water? No. So it's not needing the water. For sailing the boat, yes, it's needing the water. Then cooking, it's need the water. For reading, no. For the study, it's not need the water. So swimming, then cooking, and then sailing the boat, we need a water. See the next thing, that is all living things need water. We cannot live without water. We get water from lakes, rivers, and ponds. From where do the lakes, rivers, and ponds get water? Do you know about that? कहाँ से मिलता है लेक्स, रिवर्स और पॉन्ड्स में वाटर? कहाँ से आता है? We know that the upper parts of the mountains are covered with the snow. During summer, this snow melts and changes into water. This water comes down in the form of streams and rivers. See the student, upper parts of mountains which is having the snow. And whenever there is a summer season, we know that if we will take out the ice from the fridge and keep into the sunlight, then what will happen? It will get the melted, because ice get melts in the when we give the heat to it. Like this snow is melting during the summer and it changes into the water. This water comes down in the form of streams and rivers. But what is actually that? From where do the lakes, rivers and ponds get the water? Actually we get this water from the rain. Student, main source of water is the rain. Keep in mind. Now we have to see the sources of water. From where we get the water? Rain is the main source of water. Keep in mind that rain is the main source of water. It fills rivers, lakes and ponds. Some water goes into the soil. It is called underground water. We get underground water from the wells, tube wells and hand pumps. See, rain is the main source of water. Okay. But some water goes deeply under the ground. Here we should see it is the ground. Suppose it is the ground. Then this one is a ground. जो भी रेन वाटर आता है उस ग्राउंड के नीचे डीपली चला जाता है. Okay. And some water is living here. We are in the ponds, in the rivers, in the lakes. तो ये हो गया नीचे का पानी, उसे कहते हैं अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. क्या कहते हैं? अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. और ऊपर के पानी को क्या कहा जाता है? सरफेस वाटर. So some water goes into the soil. It is called underground water. We get underground water from the wells, tube wells and hand pumps. If these water go deep inside the soil, then we must have to dig out the wells, then tube wells and hand pumps, and with the help of we have to take out the water from the underground. Sea well, then tube well, and this one is the hand pump. Now next one, how we get the pure drinking water? Student, if we drink the water from the stream, from the river, from the ponds as it is, then we can make us sick. It will make us sick. Why? Because it consisted the many germs, bacteria, dust and dirt in it. So it is needed that we should pure that water, that then we can drink. Before water reaches our homes from the rivers, it is collected in tanks and purified in, देखो यहाँ पे जब हमारे घर में पानी आता है वो कहाँ से आता है, टैप से आता है, रिवर से आता है। रिवर का पानी कलेक्ट किया जाता है टैंक में और उसे प्यूरिफाइड किया जाता है वहीं पे, फिर बाद में हमारे घर पे आता है कैसे, वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स, इट प्यूरिफाइड इन द वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स। वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स होते हैं उसके अंदर प्यूरिफाई किया जाता है। देन इट इज़ सप्लाइड टू आवर होम्स थ्रू अंडरग्राउंड पाइप्स, और ये प्यूरिफाई वाटर फिर बाद में हमारे घर के यहाँ पे सप्लाई किया जाता है कैसे, अंडरग्राउंड पाइप से। एट होम वी गेट वाटर फ्रॉम टैप्स, यस हमारे घर पे पानी आता है वो कहाँ से आता है, नल से आता है। इट मे कंटेन जर्म्स that can make us sick. We can kill these germs by boiling it or by using a water filter. Nowadays, electric water filters are connected to the taps, get the water, pure water. See, water filters are there. Now it is the electric water filter. It is in our kitchen that we are fitting in the kitchen, and directly we will get the pure water. And from the, which is the traditional method, this one, boiling water. बॉइलिंग वाटर जो है उसमें से सभी जर्म्स किल करता है। बॉईल करो फिर ठंडा करो, ठंडा करने के बाद उसे एक अच्छे से कपड़े से मलमल के या कपड़े से उसे फिल्टर करो और वो पी लो। इट इज़ द गुड वाटर। वाटर पोल्यूशन, सी we are the human being and we are having the well developed brain, so we are using our brain and doing the many activities, but some activities are very dangerous to the environment. Water pollution means जो हम लोग पानी गंदा करते हैं। देखो, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेकिंग द वाटर डर्टी। क्यों ह्यूमंस ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है वो भी हमें देखना है। डर्टी वाटर फ्रॉम गटर, कहाँ पे छोड़ते हैं हम लोग, जो हमारा सीवेज वाटर है, जो हमारा ड्रेनेज पाइप से जो वाटर जाता है, किधर जाता है, दैट सीवेज वाटर गोज इनटू द थ्रू द पाइप इनटू द रिवर। सो दिस dirty water from gutter, it mix with the river and it makes the water pollution. Next, washing clothes on river banks. Before that, nowadays we are having the washing machines, we are having the, at home we can wash our clothes, but before that, even nowadays some peoples are there in the some villages, they are going to the river banks to wash their clothes. It means we are using the detergents and the soaps for it, it having the chemicals, even our all clothes having the dirt in it, and we are washing that our clothes in that river only. So it makes the water pollution. Garbage thrown in water bodies, some means our municipality, corporation, then gram panchayat, they are, what they are doing, they are taking the garbage from our houses, but some people what they are doing, they are throwing that garbages near the water bodies, and that garbages when decomposes, it develop the germs and bacteria in it, and it again pollute the water. So these are our activities, students. There are many activities. You can find out how are this means river or all water bodies get the polluted. Means industrial waste we are throwing in it, then many chemicals are there, then our festivals, we are responsible for that. Means when we are celebrating our festivals, we should keep the keep in mind that we should take care of our environment. We should stop making water dirty. Dirty water is bad for our health. It is bad for the plants and animals too. So student, take the next one, that is multiple choice question. Take the correct answers. Snow melts and comes down in the form of lakes, rivers or ponds. Lakes and rivers, it is not possible, rivers only. Okay, so that is answer, that is rivers. Then washing clothes on the river banks causes water, noise or soil. It causes water pollution. Noise pollution नहीं होता है, soil pollution भी नहीं होता है. Next, that is the water is precious, save it. Water is very precious, student. In summer, many lakes and rivers dry up. We know that many lakes and rivers getting dry up, and people in villages do not get enough water. We face shortage of water in cities too. So it is our duty to save the water and use it wisely. You too can save the water. Follow the tips given below. देखो, ये वाटर बहुत प्रीशियस है. जब समर सीज़न आता है तो हमें पता चलता है कि वाटर का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. जब लेक्स, रिवर सब ड्राई अप हो जाता है, पानी मिलता नहीं है, तो हमें उसकी ज़रूरत समझ में आती है. तो बिफोर दैट इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू सेव द वाटर एंड यूज़ इट वाइजली. हाउ वी कैन यूज़ इट प्रॉपरली? फर्स्ट, टर्न ऑफ द टैप वाइल ब्रशिंग योर टीथ. बहुत सारे लोगों को आदत होती है ब्रश करते और वो रनिंग जो टैप होता है वैसे ही होता है, बहुत सारा पानी बह के चला जाता है. इसलिए हमें क्या करना है? टर्न ऑफ द टैप वाइल ब्रशिंग योर टीथ. सेकेंड, टर्न ऑफ द टैप प्रॉपरली टू अवॉइड द लीकेजेस. बहुत सारे टाइम क्या हो जाता है कि वो लीकेज होता है, पानी वहाँ से गिरता है, तो हमें वो प्रॉपरली बंद करना चाहिए. कलेक्ट द रेन वाटर एंड यूज़ इट फॉर वॉशिंग एंड वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स. करेक्ट. जो रेन वाटर हम रेनी सीज़न में जो रेन वाटर वेस्ट हो जाता है, वो अगर हमने कलेक्ट किया और उसे प्लांट्स को देने के लिए, वॉश करने के लिए यूज़ किया, मतलब कार वॉश करते हैं, फ्लोर वॉश करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, उससे हम लोग वॉश कर सकते हैं. Use a bucket of water to take a bath. Using a shower is fun, but it is wasted a lot of water. So use a bucket of water for the bath. Okay. Do not throw the leftover water of your bottle. Use it to water the plants. Many times what happens, students, I know that when you are going from the school to the house, that time which is the leftover water you are throwing on the street as it is. But don't do like this. You should use this water for the plant, and it is the good use of the water. Importance of water and different ways of saving water, that you have to write it, or you should record it and send me, students. Okay, next exercises. We will see the exercises. A, oral questions. How can we purify water at home? Which is very simple. We can boil it, or we can use the purifier. Okay, in this way we can purify the water at home. Quiz. Why is tap water unsafe for drinking? See, why is the tap water unsafe for drinking? Why it is so? See, it may contain germs. This water comes through our home with the help of underground pipes. So at home we get this water through the taps. But what happening, student? See here, it may contain germs that can make us sick. So that's why tap water is unsafe for drinking. Name any three sources of water. You can write anything: ponds, then lakes, then river. Okay, these are the sources of water. Next, tick the correct answers. We get underground water from rivers, no. Oceans, no. वेल्स, यस. वेल जो हमें डिग करनी पड़ती है, फिर बाद में ज़मीन के अंदर से पानी आता है. Dotted water kills germs. Boiling, cooling, standing. It's boiling water can kills the germs. Next, look at the picture and take the pictures that wastage of water. Brushing the teeth, yes, it is the wastage because it is the running water tap. Showering, it is the wasting. And yes, planting the water, it's not wasting the water. Okay, so these two activities shows that it is the wastage of water. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Sometimes water from taps may contain, yes, germs. Okay, next, we get dotted water from the tube wells. Underground water from the tube wells. Then water is purified in dot plants. Water treatment. Which one? Water treatment plants. Then the upper parts of dot are covered with the snow. And is very good. Next, answer the following questions. Write two ways by which we can save the water. Write two ways by which we can save the water. You can write these things. See, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Then turn off the tap प्रॉपरली टू अवॉइड लीकेजेस. इसमें से आप कुछ भी लिखो, दो ही लिखना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. राइट टू वेज बाय विच वाटर गेट्स डर्टी. Throwing the garbages in it, washing the clothes in it, then washing the utensils, washing your animals, then throwing the gutter water in it, throwing the dust or sending the drainage water of cities and villages in the rivers or in the water bodies. Okay, इसमें से कुछ भी लिखो, दो ही लिखना है. How can we get pure drinking water? Yes, there are three ways, you know that. You can write by boiling the water, by using the purifier. You can get this drinking water, or you can say you can write here that is how water treatment plants are using. Or see here, that is purified. It is water gets purified in the water treatment plants. Also you can write. Next thing, that is you can write here that we can kill the germs by using the water filters or electric waters. Okay, next, take the correct answer. The main source of water is, I have told you, that is rain. Water from the mountains comes down in the form of streams. Here, when it rains, collect rainwater in buckets, drums and containers. Use this water for cleaning the floors and watering plants. Okay. Find the names of 5 sources of the water hidden in the given grid and circle them. Okay, first you have shown that is river. We have to find out. Here it is the stream. In this way you should circle it. Pond, then rain, और कौन सा आपको मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, लेक है. ओके, In this way you can find out and you can do this at home. Now you have to read this lesson and complete your exercise. Bye bye. Take care.